There's nothing better than being at the right place at the right time. And, I was talking to a colleague, woman friend, who happens to work at a pretty large corporation, and they're spinning her business out. And she's going to be the CEO of a public company. And, if you had ever said to her, is your aspiration to do that? She would say, I don't know, that seems like a bridge too far. But here she is running that division. They've decided, and she's the candidate. So I consider that to be, right place at the right time. I'm not sure that there's any excuse for anyone, man or woman, not to make their career aspirations known to the leadership inside of the company. Because if you don't ask, for sure it's not going to happen. And there's nothing wrong with making sure that, your boss, the leadership of the company, understands what your own personal aspirations are. So in my case, I would say, it's been sort of part of a journey as the company has sort of matured. And as I have been, 15 years, I've seen, some good, some bad, and some ugly. So it's been, kind of a partnership with the company. And I think that, for my longevity there is a nice arrangement. So I would say, in some cases, hey, good for you if you're at the right place at the right time. But I always give people the advice, make sure people understand what you really want. And you have a much better chance of getting it if, you sort of articulate that.